Greetings. It's Aisha here to inspire, AishaNicole.com. And I am here to do a brief video with you on meditation. Meditation has multiple benefits. Not only does it help you just reduce your stress level, it can help just overall produce more serotonin in the body, which will help you rest better, help you get more clear and clarity on things. If you've been trying to make decisions and you just can't get clear in certain situations, I always recommend taking some time out to meditate. For some people, this is difficult because often we have what's called monkey mind. So we'll start trying to meditate, and then we'll start thinking about what we're eating for dinner, what we're going to wear tomorrow, what's coming on at 8 o'clock, our lives, etc., etc. So meditation is a great way to just still and calm the mind. Still and calm the mind, which is very important, particularly when stress levels are very high in life. So my introduction to meditation was through a guided meditation. It was very helpful to me until I got to a place where I was comfortable meditating on my own. And this is going to just be a short meditation just to kind of get you focused on your breath. That's the key with meditation, is to just stay focused on the breath. You know, when your mind starts to drift, focus on the breath. There was an excellent book by an author named Ram Dass that spoke about meditation, and he recommended that we look at meditation like sitting by a river and watching a bunch of lily pads just sail on by. So you might want to focus on a lily pad and follow it. You might look at the frog that's on the lily pad, look at the pretty flower that's on the lily pad, and then your thoughts are gone and now you're focused on that. That's not what we want to do with meditation. The lily pads are your thoughts. So if at any given moment or time thoughts are coming up in your mind, which is very natural, they're going to come up. Instead of focusing on the thought, you let the thought come, you let the thought go. You let the thoughts come, you let the thoughts go. And eventually, you'll stop focusing on the thoughts altogether. And then things will just start coming and downloading into your mind. This comes with time and with practice. So I'm going to just do a short, few minute meditation to help get you there. If you're able to be outside and do it, weather permits, I recommend being outside. Being in nature is also very relaxing and grounding to the body, okay? The earth is able to absorb a lot of negative ions that we could be carrying in our body, so it's an exceptional place to do your meditation. But you don't have to be. You know, if you're in your house, that's fine. If you're in your bathtub, that's fine if you're lying down. Now, because you get so relaxed during meditation, I personally recommend sitting up. But sometimes you might want to do it when you're lying down. Really, it's up to you. You do what's best for you in your set of circumstances, okay? Of course, I'm sitting up. I'm happy to be outside in nature. I have all these trees, these wonderful sounds around me, so it's going to kind of help me with my grounding and getting more relaxed. So you're going to sit down. I have my legs crossed, okay? And I'm going to just put my hands in my lap. My hands are open. You can put your index finger to your thumb, whatever makes you comfortable, but I do recommend that your hands are facing up and so that you can receive the blessings that are going to come as a result of your meditation, okay? So let's start by taking a nice cleansing breath in through the nose. Hold for 3 seconds and exhale through the mouth. We're going to do that again 2 more times. Inhale through the nose. Hold. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Hold. Exhale through the mouth. Now those are great cleansing breaths, a way just to kind of relax your body, get grounded, make sure you're in a nice, comfortable position wherever you're sitting. And now we're going to do breathing again, but we're just going to breathe in and out of the nose. Okay? So inhale through your nose. Now close your eyes if they're not already closed. Inhale through your nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue breathing at that pace. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, breathing in all of the goodness. Exhale, releasing any stress or tension in your body. Continue breathing at that pace. Inhaling. Be mindful of any stress that you have in your body. And when you exhale, breathe into that area. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay focused on your breathing as you continue the inhaling and exhaling. Any thoughts that come up, let them come and let them go like the lily pad on the river. Continue to focus on your breath. Any sounds that may be coming up for you, do not give them your attention. Continue to focus on your breath. Inhale. Exhale and breathe into relaxation. Inhale. Exhale, sinking down into the earth. Inhale. Exhale. Now we're going to guide you through a body scan to relax each of your body parts. Continue to inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And for the next inhale, I want you to visualize cool water coming up from the base of your spine, holding at the top once it reaches the top of your head, and imagine it trickling down the front of your body. Inhale, cool water coming up from the base of your spine. Exhale, and it's cascading down the front of your body. Gonna do that 3 more times. Inhaling cool water up the base of your spine. Exhale. And the water cascading down the front of your body. Inhale from the base of your spine. Exhale, cascading down the front of your body. Inhale. Exhale. Continue breathing at that pace. Now I want you to take your attention to your feet. Inhaling into your feet. And on the exhale, you're going to release any tension or tightness, pain or discomfort you feel in the feet. Inhaling up through into your legs, your calves. And with your exhale, let go of any tension you may feel in the calves. Inhaling up through into the knees. Exhaling and releasing any tension you may feel in your knees. Inhaling up into your thighs and hips. Exhale and let go of any tension you may feel in the thighs and hips. Inhaling into your tummy, your abdomen. Exhale and let go of any tightness or discomfort you feel in your tummy. Inhaling into your heart. Exhale, relaxing, releasing any tenderness or restriction in the heart. Inhale in and up through your lungs. Exhale, let go. Inhaling in and up through the shoulders. Exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding in your shoulders. Inhale into your arms and hands. Exhale and release any tension in the arms and the hands. Inhaling into your throat. Exhaling any tension or restriction that you feel in your throat. Inhaling into the face, the jawline. Exhale, release. And relax your jaw. Inhaling up into the top of the crown. Exhale and let go. Continue breathing at that pace, inhaling. Exhale. Your body should be completely relaxed. Take note of the peace that you feel inside of you. Make note of the relaxation you're experiencing in your limbs. Continue with your breathing to inhale and exhale. I gently invite you to bring your awareness back into your body. So we're going to do 3 final inhales, exhaling, and then we're going to open our eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes. Congratulations, you did it. You took some time out to be still and to quiet your mind and your body. I recommend this practice every day, even if you just start with 5 minutes and you gradually add time as you become more comfortable and you're able to gauge, have more control over your thoughts. The benefits are too many for me to name in this short video. So I wish you peace. I wish you sanity. I wish you productivity. And I'll see you on the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share if this was helpful to you. Peace.